Do you want to create a mind map in Canva? Follow this tutorial and I'll show you everything you need to know. Okay, so let's get started. Right at the top, you'll see it says search your content and Canva's content. So what we're going to do here is we're going to type in mind map. It's as simple as that. You'll see over here that it'll give you a few options, but we're just going to hit enter and we're going to search literally for the mind map templates. Okay, so we're going to go down and look at the actual template. So first of all, you can create from a blank, and I'm going to show you exactly how to actually do that, which might even be a better option. So you can see that there are a bunch of templates and you can choose from any one of these templates, and if you've used Canva before, you'll know that everything is customizable and pretty simple to use. So I'm literally going to go and use this one here. So let's click on it. And let's go ahead and click on customize this template. Alternatively, there are more templates like this one. So if it's not exactly what you're looking for, you can simply scroll and there'll be a couple more. So simply put, you can go ahead and click on any one of these elements and you can fully customize them. So you can move them around, you can change the text, you can change the color, the shape, the corner, the shade. Wow, there is so much possible here. So it's very, very simple. If this is not really what you want, you can remove and you can also add on to this. Now, if you are starting from a blank template, like we did here, you'll see this option, create a blank brainstorm. Let's create a blank one. It essentially sets you up in a whiteboard canvas and you can do exactly the same. So you can actually import templates just like we saw on the previous version, and then you can actually go and create elements all on your own right over here. So you can literally just click on whatever elements you want. You can search for elements. There are a ton of things that you can add in here. I'm going to just jump back into this one and I'm going to show you two more ways in creating a mind map in Canva. So the first one is using the quick actions for Canva's AI. So here you can search anything or you can just ask AI to create something for you, including an entire mind map. One of the other very simple ways of doing this is creating it from a blank page. So let's click on this add page, and here I'm going to go to the left, click on elements. I'm going to go down to shapes and you can pretty much use any shape. So here's my shape. I'm going to make sure that it's center. So let's make sure it's center. And once you right click on it, you'll actually have this enable quick flow option. Once you've enabled quick flow, it'll give you some arrows where you can literally click down and you can actually create more blocks just like this one. Quite quickly, you can really get into an idea of brainstorming or mind mapping. One of the other nice elements is if you move this around, your arrows actually follow your blocks. So you can really get creative here and make a really crazy looking mind map in Canva. If this was really helpful, share it with a friend.